Day number 27 of the 30-day Shiba challenge, the buying challenge. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, I am aware Shiba is down 17% of the day, but let me show you something. Remember, we started buying Shiba in terms of this 30-day buying challenge when it was 27.24. If you've been with me, you feel me right now. So if I'm seeing a price of 56.36, we're still in profit land. Still, because we got it in early. This is going to help the dollar cost average on this here. It's just going to help overall. So let's do this right now. So we're going to go ahead and buy Shiba. And since it's down 18%, we're going to get, drum roll, we're going to buy $300 worth because it's down in price right now. So we're going to use what we got today, and you don't have to do $300. Just do whatever you can do each day or which week you can do it. So only invest as much as you are willing to lose. So I'm getting 5,000 Shiba, and we're going to buy that right now. And so what's going to happen is we're going to add this information right there. Day number 27. Now we're going to go ahead and change this to the 3rd, right? Like so. We're going to change that to the 3rd because today is November 3rd. And we're going to take the price of this and we're going to plug it in right here. And we're going to take this here, let's see, equal, because we're going to tie in that price, put that right there. And then we're going to do this, format that. So then that means that way we're taking the average buying price. Oh, hold on. Let me show you something. Actually, it's the wrong one. It's this one right here. This one here is the buying price is right there. Okay. So it's this right here. The average price is right there, but the buying price is still there. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take what's in the transaction, and we're going to plug in the numbers there. I was working on the wrong one. No problem, no problem, no problem. I love it, I love it. So, I'm going to take here, I'm going to take the 5 million SHIB. Sometimes I get that confused, 5,000 SHIB, 5 million SHIB. And we're going to take that, and we know 440 is going to be the fee. So it's a little bit higher because we're investing a little bit more. And then 295.60 is going to be the price of it. Now we're going to take this here and we're going to format these cells right like so. And we're going to change this to 27 now because the 27th day. And the profit has went down. But we're okay. We're okay because you know what? This is going to rebound back. And I can't wait till it rebounds because it's going to send us profit a little bit higher. Now, we've got 48 million SHIB. Remember, our goal was to get 50 million in 30 days throughout this challenge. That was just the goal that we set. And I know you have your own goals. You're watching this at home or watching this through yourself or watching this on your way to work or on your way to the grocery store. I appreciate you. But yes, we have done this already. And the last thing we got to do, we got to tweet this out like we normally do. We tweet out each day that we're buying. So we're going to go right to our Twitter page and we're going to take it, what we've done. So day 26 was yesterday. Copy this and we're just going to tweet it out. Tweet it out. The buying challenge every single day throughout 30 days. So there you go. Day 27 of 30. Shiba buying challenge is complete. Who's with me? That has been tweeted out. We just did it live. Just you watching me right here. No, we're doing this together. This is all about doing this together. So the price is down 18%. We put our position in for the day. We've got $500 in profit still, but we almost at 48 million SHIB. And I'll see you tomorrow, day number 28 of the 30-day Shiba buying challenge. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you do not have access to my Discord group, I got that link in the description. If you need Coinbase or eToro, a place to buy Shiba or any other assets, take a look at that website, sign up, and I'll see you on the inside.